What is up, guys? Welcome back to Low Budget Builds. And as you can see, today we are back up on the Mazda. I'm gonna replace the lights. I don't have the grill done or the hood done yet. As you can see, the engine is still not in this thing. Trying to find a cheap place that will machine the block for me. I'm gonna bore it out. But yeah, so what I do have is the lights. So I got these lights on the old Amazon. They're like $36 and some change. So they're 40 bucks. For 40 bucks, guys, you can't go wrong. This will update the headlights on the car, you know, and they'll have LEDs. Also, I think this is gonna look really good with the denim, the chrome, and the black and stuff like that. So I think this is gonna go with the look that we're going for. And like I said, 40 bucks, you can't beat it. So we're gonna throw it on here. It's super easy to do these lights. You're just gonna get up in here and you unbolt this guy. And then you unbolt the bottom two, guys. I probably should have done the bottom two first, but you know, I got one hand, guys. So, you know, it's kind of a pain. Also, I probably should have brought my electric ratchet out here, or a drill, to make it easier on me. But poor planning on my part. So that guy comes off, and that guy bends, apparently. I should have done the top first. Now, there was nothing wrong with these lights. They were perfectly fine, but I want a new updated look. I want LEDs. Then you just pull this guy right out. After you remove this clip, there's a clip down there. There we go. That guy broke. Oh no, he didn't. Still good. As you can see, nothing wrong with it. Just wanted an updated look. As you can see, there ain't nothing wrong with that. And then you keep this bezel, which I'm probably gonna end up painting or powder coating at some point. Then you take your new light, which is this guy right here. It says top on it, so you can't really mess this up. It goes right in there. Boom. And then you put your cover on it. So I'll put the cover on, and then I'll get back to you guys. It's the same thing on the other side. I'll get back to you guys for some beauty shots on this, and we'll turn it on. Maybe right now I'll do some shots of it on. If not, I'll do some nighttime shots so you can see how bright this thing is. All right, guys, there they are installed, and we'll get back with you. They look pretty dope. In person, they're way brighter than that, but those are the high beams. It already changed the look of the truck. And then I'll show you what the low beams are. Obviously, I have to point them, but for now, they're and there goes the water pump, whatever the hell that is. But there's the low beams. You just get the two on the top. I mean the row on the top and the middle one, and that does that. Oh, that's probably what that is. Some sort of something going on there. But yeah, there they are. I think they look cool. And then I'll show you guys at night what they look like. But for now, check her out. So yeah, I think for 40 bucks, I'm really happy with that. I'm really happy with that. So I'll show you guys what they look like at night. And we can see how bright they get at night. So yeah, those are the regular running lights. So these things are bright. And then boom, those are the high beams. So yeah, I think they work pretty well. So low and high. So yeah, guys. So yeah, like and subscribe. Make sure that you hit the bell notification. And yeah, oh man, they're super bright. They look white in person. I don't know why it's looking yellow when I point at them, but yeah, these things are bright. So yeah, guys. So as soon as we get more stuff in, I'll do more. I'll do the video of the powder coating, and yeah. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, guys. So see you next time.